Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about YouTube video not playing, how to fix in POCO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your YouTube, and you can see if it video is not playing, then you have to long press your YouTube, click on I button. Here you have to first clear the cache like this, clear storage, then you have to give all the permission. You can see, just give the permission of microphone, storage, photos and videos to download, and that's it, and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.